So here's a fun off-the-cuff video that I'm gonna do, and we're gonna try to get a KOM on a dirt road with the winds from Hurricane Ian. Yes, that's right. So Ian has moved through Florida, but we're still getting gusts of like 30 miles an hour and probably constant winds of 15 to 20. So listen, a buddy of mine did this to me a few years ago, and so I'm gonna try it myself. So there's a segment that takes about 10 to 12 minutes to do, and I'm third on the segment, and there's a smaller segment and I'm fifth, or maybe it's the other way around. But all of the times were during a group ride. So it was either like a fast group ride or an event, and they're all grouped together. So it's fair that I do this solo. I've got a little boost from the hurricane winds. But yeah, this storm was massive. So we started getting strong winds when the eye was coming on shore 300 miles south of us. We fared pretty well. South Florida got absolutely pummeled. We did lose an oak tree in the backyard, but it was already decaying on the inside, so I'm not surprised by it. It's a bummer, but it happens. But other than that, we fared really well. Never lost power. I'm amazed, because the last big hurricane that came through near us, we lost power for almost a week. So now it's time to go out on a ride and have some fun. All right, we're heading out on a paved road that parallels the dirt road. So I'm fighting a pretty strong headwind. And yes, if you noticed, I do have a skin suit on for the occasion. The only skin suit that I own, which probably helps with this headwind as much as coming the other direction. The winds seem like they're dying down a little bit. Still get some good gusts, but it's not as constant. So, we'll see. I'll give it my best effort. This road is a little more protected from the wind. The dirt road is more wide open. A couple miles from the start, I'll be coming back this way. Pretty strong headwind now. Not quite as strong as I thought it was going to be, but still pretty strong. I'm trying to save the legs and not pedal too hard yet. Almost at the start. We'll just turn around and head the other way. I might have waited too long for this. The winds are really starting to die down. Oh well, it'll still be fun in a weird, painful sort of way. Okie dokie, here we go. Come on, wind! Let's roll. A slight hill here. Not hitting the speed that I need. Dang it. Should have done this about 4 hours earlier. Gust. Oh, this feels good. Not really. got it. I got it, according to Garmin. Heck yeah. So I did get the KOM, as you heard in the video. I was quite excited because I didn't think I was going to get it. At the beginning, that road kind of goes up a slight hill. It's maybe like a 2% grade. And I just didn't feel like the winds were giving me a boost. But once I got up the hill and got into more of a clearing, I feel like the winds kind of picked up. So I won't show my screen. I was going to show my phone screen, but I don't have permission to show the other names on here, so I don't want to do that. But on the long segment, I did it in 10 minutes and 45 seconds, and that gave me the KOM by 10 seconds. All the other times were about 6 years ago on an event, what we call the Santa Fe Century Gravel Challenge. The Santa Fe Century is a road ride. Now they have a gravel challenge, which is like around 65 miles, I think. And so all those times are grouped together. So obviously the group was going fast. And so my conscience is clear that I used the winds from, it was a tropical storm when it came through here, but they did give me a boost to give me the KOM. I was still pretty good on the leaderboard, but the winds helped me out. And then on the other section, the shorter one, and so this one's like the last 2.6 miles of that section. By the way, the first one was 4.34 miles. And the last 2.6 miles, I got the KOM. My time was 6:07, and the closest time was actually a guy who's took the KOM not two days before. I won't say his name because I don't have his permission to say it on the video, but he's local, and he and I have kind of talked back and forth on Strava. Super fast rider. In fact, I think he's faster than me, except when I have a tailwind like that. So I am faster than him by 15 seconds on that segment. In fact, he messaged me on Strava right after I got it. He said he saw me right after I finished the segment. And so I'm sure he'll be back out there. The day he got it, I don't think there was much of a wind. So he was flying. So yeah, this is how we have fun, right? On Strava, it's just fun. It's fun. So that's it for this crazy video that I decided to do off the cuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.